Yes, they will talk about this virus, the 2019 novel coronavirus. And some people ask me, what is special about this virus? And why we call it novel coronavirus. And as we all know that this virus is in the environment for many, many years, be thousand or million years. So it's part of the biological sphere, so we are coexist with human beings. So in the normal situation, and this virus can infect people and usually cause just mild upper respiratory infections, and often called common cold. This is part of the common cold virus we have. And this virus is novel because during evolution process, this virus interact with people, continuous adaptation between virus, the human, and animals. And this virus gain some characteristics. And this first, the virus can transmit from animal to human easily, and also can transmit from human to human. And another case that the virus not only can replicate on the upper respiratory tract, and the virus get adapted to replicate in the lungs, so it can cause pneumonia. So the basic changes of this virus does cause, and the virus gain this capacity. We have looked at this virus before. So there are systemic change or significant change on the virus. First of all, maybe on the virus there's the spike have some change, so it's more easy to attach to the human cells, and also that the genomic are differently changed significantly from other coronavirus. So the genomic can be easily packaged and easily protected, so it can become much more effective infect animals and as well as humans. And the entire process is a very, very complicated process. It's a long time. Yesterday we also see this life cycle of the virus. The virus starts its life cycle in the single human cells through this receptor. After it gets into the cells, there's nucleic acid that will be released into the cytoplasm of the cell. And this virus brings on genomic RNA and also different polymerases which can replicate this genome, and also to transcription produce the structured protein. And this is just like the manufacture facility, like a factory. And this continues to produce genomes and the messenger RNAs. And this protein then is assembled into a virus-like particles and then package this RNA and then release out from the cells, and that this virus are going to infect new cells. And as we know that only the strongest virus can survive. So the virus gain all the capacity which can infect cells, can replicate quickly and get advantage. To the virus, there is also kind of a selective advantage, kind of selection. So only the strongest one can come out. So during the entire process, from this genomic release to the genomic replication to the messenger RNA synthesis and protein translation and package. So the entire process, this process continues involved. And so in the end, we're going to create virus which have gained capacity as described in early, so can easily transmit from animal to human, and also gained capacity transmission from human to human. And also the virus have capacity to replicate in the lungs. As mentioned, generally that common coronavirus can only replicate in the upper respiratory tract, so just cause mild upper respiratory infection or cause common cold. And so this virus is special. Again, just first, the genetic change so let the virus have strong capacity to replicate from in the animal cells, and also capacity to transmit from animal to human. And also the virus adapt to transmission from human to human. And another important fact is that the virus can easily replicate in human lungs, that cause pneumonia. And this is the reason cause many people death, because lung function is most important. Without functional lung activity, there's no oxygen get out of our body, and people that suffer, that's going to die. And this, we just talked about this, why this virus is so nervous, so it's so strong. And I'm going to see you in my next video.